NZXT C1500 Platinum ATX 3.1 power supply review. Quiet, stable power for extreme builds. You finally finish your high-end build, press the power button, and instead of excitement, you hear coil whine or a fan ramping like a jet engine. I've been there. One builder told me his brand new GPU sounded louder than his old console. It kills the moment. If you've ever worried your power supply might be the weak link, you're not alone. The problem sneaks up quietly. Missed stability under load, random shutdowns during renders, that faint electrical buzz that makes your chest tighten during benchmarks. One creator I spoke with lost an hour-long export at 92%. Brutal. Over time, the stress adds up, and you start second-guessing every component. But what if stable, quiet power could simply fade into the background? This is where the NZXT C1500 Platinum ATX 3.1 fully modular low-noise PC gaming power supply, 1,500 watts, 80-plus platinum, dual 12-volt 2x6 connectors, zero fan mode, 100% Japanese capacitors black, steps in and resets expectations. Don't just pick any power supply. Make sure it has digital voltage regulation so you avoid unstable ripple and sudden shutdown complaints that everyone talks about. At its core, this unit delivers 1,500 watts with ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 compliance, meaning it's ready for current and next-generation GPUs. Dual native 12-volt 2x6 connectors push over 600 watts each to demanding graphics cards without adapters. The zero fan mode keeps the system silent under lighter loads, while the 140mm magnetic levitation fan only spins when genuinely needed. That matters. One developer nearly missed a client deadline during a full CPU and GPU render session. After upgrading, he ran stress tests back-to-back, and the system stayed calm, voltages tight, no unexpected shutdowns. Fully modular cables make airflow cleaner and builds easier. Bonus detail? Cybernetics titanium efficiency and A noise ratings quietly reinforce what you feel. Smooth, controlled performance. Would you actually use all 1,500 watts? Maybe not, but the headroom changes everything. Here's what happens when your PSU stops being a question mark. Immediately, your system feels calmer under load. Benchmarks run without dips. Fans behave predictably. Within a week, you stop monitoring voltage graphs because nothing unusual appears. Long-term, that stability becomes invisible confidence. A hardware expert described the NZXT C1500 Platinum ATX 3.1 as top-tier performance and efficiency, specifically noting its tight 12-volt rail regulation and low ripple under heavy loads. An influencer testing high-end GPUs admitted he expected noise at 900 watts, but reported mere silence with zero fan mode active. Cybernetics testing confirms up to 94% efficiency with titanium-level ratings and A- certification, grounding the experience in measurable data. One PC builder wrote that his dual GPU rig ran flawlessly and quietly, even during extended gaming sessions. I noticed this after 3 weeks of daily use. The absence of noise and instability becomes the feature. You forget it's there. That's the point. Yes, 1,500 watts may sound like overkill, but overhead equals thermal and electrical breathing room, especially for next-gen GPUs. See why so many professionals refuse to work without it now. Which matters more to you? Silence, stability, or future-proofing? The NZXT C1500 Platinum ATX 3.1 delivers quiet authority inside your build, steady voltage, low ripple, real efficiency, and room to grow. Join the many creators already seeing consistent workflow improvements and smoother gaming sessions. Results may vary depending on your system, but stable power is rarely something anyone regrets investing in. This is long-term thinking. If you're ready to build once and build confidently, click the link below and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.